In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Grok Video Imagine to have first frame and last frame. The idea here is to strongly guide the opening and closing moments of your AI-generated video using clear, structured prompts and the right settings, even though the tool doesn't let you hard lock exact starting and ending frames like a professional editor would. Start by heading to the Grok website and opening the Imagine workspace. This is where you'll craft your prompt and choose the options that shape the look, length, and format of your video. Once you're in, find the text box where you can type your prompt. Here's the key. Grok Imagine currently doesn't let you upload two stills and say start here, end here. Instead, you describe the beginning and the end inside your prompt so the model understands the story beats you care about. Click into the prompt field and clearly define the opening. You can write something like starts with a close-up of a girl looking at the camera, soft lighting, gentle eye highlight, neutral background, steady frame. The more specific you are with composition, lighting, and mood, the more likely the first moments will match what you picture. Think about shot type, focal feel, and atmosphere. Then define the closing within the same prompt. Continue with something like ends with the girl walking away into the fog, wide shot, fading atmosphere, soft contrast, subtle vignette. Keep continuity in mind. Mention the same subject, environment, and style so the transition from your opening to your closing feels intentional rather than abrupt. If you see options for content type, you may first land on image. Click image if needed, then switch to video so the output is motion. This ensures your prompt is interpreted for video generation rather than a single still. Next, choose the resolution. Higher resolutions look crisper but may take longer to generate. Pick what suits your use case, balancing quality with speed. Choose the duration. Shorter clips are great for quick previews or loops. Longer clips give you more room for the opening and closing to breathe. Match the length to where you plan to share it. Pick the aspect ratio that fits your platform. Vertical for mobile-first content, square for feeds, or widescreen for traditional video. When everything looks good, click Submit or press Enter. Grok will render your video using your start and end guidance. While you can't set exact frames, precise wording, consistent subject details, and the right settings will nudge the model to open and close the way you intend.